How to get $100 Chicos promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in chicos.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Chicos. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over the paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But how can you get Chicos promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Chicos promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of this website, you can easily get working promo code for Chicos. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 30% coupon, free shipping, 25% coupon, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on see discount or show coupon. So here's the coupon code, you can copy it. Then click on view discount at Chicos. You will be directed to the official website of Chicos. Now log into your account, browse through the items, add the items to the cart that you want to purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and just with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Chicos. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Chicos promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.